Okay. Got another package from Andy Mecha. Friggin' legend. Gonna do a little unboxing. So this arrived from Northern Ireland. I covered up my personals. And look at all this tape. Will I ever be able to enter this box? I guess we're gonna find out. Of course, I'm gonna have to use my patented Andy knife. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, so exciting. Let's see here. Ants heavy hint hit home at check-in. An ant had a heavy hint. Where's it aunt? Alright, let's see. Gonna have all this great Northern Ireland newspaper to piece through. Check it out. Certificate of authenticity. Man, whoever designed that did an amazing job. Alright. Cats are finally going to get some newspaper. Let's see what's going on. Nothing. Views. No one. Alright, let's see. Oh, there it is. I can already tell it's bigger than I thought it would be. Let's see. Got some stickers. Boy, those look familiar. Some tubers. I think I'm just gonna pull this out but not look. Oh my god, that is heavy too. Papers. Okay, nothing else in that box. Shit, when I move I'll probably be packing it right back in that same box. Alright, here we go. Bum, bum. Bum, bum. 11/3/24 bootleg Madball bonehead. Alright. God, that is heavy. There it is. That is so amazing. Boy, that is really heavy. I'm going to say that's 25 kilos. Of course, I don't know what a kilo is. Let's see. Boy, so much detail. Little ridges on all the teeth. Kind of phantom gum line there on the top as well. I remember having Madballs as a kid. I had a couple. I don't remember really anything about them except they were kind of cheap, you know, but all my toys were pretty cheap. Look at that. I think those are actual screws. I don't think he sculpted those. So I'm filming this on the right side for YouTube, and on the left side I'm streaming on Twitch. Man. Yeah, I originally kind of thought I would just leave this as is because he is so cool looking, but boy, he's going to be fun to paint if I paint him. There's so many little different ridges and little tiny bits of stuff to hit with the dry brush. I can see where it got shaved off a little bit so it'll stand much like that. I know the light's pretty crappy in here, but let's see if I put down here. Doing a 2-camera shoot. I feel very professional. Well, geez, Andy, another masterpiece. I really appreciate you sending this out. Next time, stuff yourself in that little box. Come have a visit. I'll take you to In-N-Out Burger. Of course, you'll probably want to get sweet corn or some nonsense on that burger, and that just won't fly in Texas. They'll kick your ass out. All right, dude. Thank you, Andy.